Stay tuned this evening for Harwood. Harwood tells his girlfriend that he prefers 1-ply toilet paper over 2-ply toilet paper. Watch Harwood tonight at 7:22 p.m.
Get informed. Stay informed. News 24/7.
You're watching the ILC, the I Like Cheese Race Series.
Welcome to Race Day, Week 1, Race 3, here at the ILC. This is JDM month here at Slambat, Oklahoma. I'm your host, Chapman Films, and today we're going to race these JDM cars or American Japanese car. On the pole is Guitarded and Broke in his red Mazda RX-7, and in second place today is JP in this white CRX, and making his ILC debut is Wagon Man in his 2012 Concept. Standard rules apply for today's fat track race. If your car flips over, drives off the track, or rolls over on its side, your car will be eliminated. So let's go to the track. Today's race is sponsored by China Palace. Please don't order the number 2. It's not really good for you. Round 1, sponsored by China Palace, is here for the JDM month. On the pole is Guitarded and Broke in his Mazda RX-7. In second place is JP in his CRX. And in third, making his ILC debut, is Wagon Man in his Acura in SX Concept 2012. First driver to get 2 wins will be today's winner and go to the finals.
Hi, Mark. That's it.
Whoa! JP wins round 1. Watch them all beat and bang on each other, and then they get through the Kelly turn, and then JP drives backwards. Guitarded and Broke making some contact, trying to push him out of the way, but JP takes the win. Let's watch that again from the other angle. Oh, looks like Wagon Man stalls out. Yep, look, he is stalled out on the track. So, the official rules, his car did not flip over, and it didn't flip over on the side or drive off the track. That means he will be third in round 2, sponsored by China Palace. So, round 1, sponsored by China Palace, will go to JP. The way they finished is the way they will start for round 2, sponsored by China Palace. JP in first, Guitarded and Broke in second, and Wagon Man in third.
Hi, Mark. That's it.
Oh, some more contact between the drivers. Let's see. Beating and banging, JP and Guitarded and Broke, and then they get through the Kelly turn, and Guitarded and Broke breaks away from the other 2 drivers. And Wagon Man having trouble keeping up, but I think he did get to the flagman. Let's see. One more angle here. They're going through the 3D bot maker turn. Yeah, it looks like Wagon Man finally made it to Big Texas flagman. There he goes. So, looks like the middle lane is the right lane to be in. But round 2, sponsored by China Palace, goes to Guitarded and Broke. Alright, Guitarded and Broke and JP needs to win round 3, sponsored by China Palace, to win today's race, and the winner will go to the finals at the end of the month. So Guitarded and Broke first, JP second, and poor Wagon Man in third.
Hi, Mark. That's it.
Whoa, that second lane is the fastest lane today. Watch JP bump into the other 2 drivers going into the Kelly turn. And Guitarded and Broke is right on his rear end trying to get to JP. But once JP gets to the 3D bot maker turn, he just outruns Guitarded and Broke. Wait a minute. Oh no, Guitarded and Broke fell off the track. My goodness. Wait, is his car smoking out there? Oh, we got a fire! Oh my goodness, fire! fire. We need the first responders. Where is the fire team? Oh my goodness, look at those flames. They are shooting out of that Mazda RX-7. Here comes the fire crew, our first responders. They're putting out the fire. Let's hope that Retarded and Broke is okay. We need to cut to the sponsor. We need to cut to the commercial. Commissioner Stanley saying go to commercial.
Chinese food is understood. Please come get your Chinese food. Everybody knows you want to. Chinese food is really great. Chinese food is no mistake. Come get your Chinese food. Everybody knows you want to. China Palace is really good. China Palace is really great. Please don't order the number 2. It's not really good for you. China food is really good. Chinese food is understood. Please come get your Chinese food. Everybody knows you want to. Chinese food is really great. Chinese food is no mistake. Come get your Chinese food. Everybody knows you want to. China Palace is really good. China Palace is really great. Please don't order the number 2. It's not really good for you.
Come to the new location, 412 West Main Hill at Slapout, Oklahoma, 73848. You come now. All right, we're back, and here is the replay. They are taking Retarded and Broke to the in-care medical facility. But watch Retarded and Broke just fall off the track right there. That is the most dangerous part of the track here at Slapout, Oklahoma. We've seen a lot of cars recently fall off that portion of the track right before where the guardrail starts. Oh, he runs into the record that Retarded and Broke sent us. And here's the finish. Here's how they finished today. JP and Wagonman finishes second. Wow. Today's winner, Week 1, Race 3, goes to JP.
Leaderboard, everybody talking about leaderboard.
So JP is the winner of Week 1, Race 3. So what does that mean? JP will go to the end of the month to the finals against the other drivers who will win Week 2 and Week 3 and the Hot Dog City Seafood Hut Time Trials. The finals is held on the Fat Track here at Slapout, Oklahoma. So JP will have the advantage because the other 2 races in the month is on the drag strip and the 2-lane merge track. Will JP join the other drivers that are already in the playoffs? John Nealer and Hot Wheels Calgary. Well, stay tuned. I'm your host, Chapman Field, and we'll see you guys next time. Maybe next time. Bye.
Cheese. Cheese.